Understanding under your breath, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, under your breath. This phrase is commonly used, but it can be a bit confusing for those learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly in everyday conversations. Under your breath refers to speaking in a very low, soft voice, almost a whisper, that is not intended to be heard by others. It's like speaking to yourself, but just loud enough for you to hear. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where someone is saying something quietly because they do not want to be heard by others, or they are expressing their true feelings privately. To better understand under your breath, let's look at some examples. 1. Muttering a comment. She muttered a complaint under her breath when her suggestion was ignored. 2. Expressing frustration. He cursed under his breath after dropping his keys. 3. Saying something secretly. She said, "I love you," under her breath, too shy to say it out loud. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts, indicating a private or semi-private expression of thoughts or feelings. When using under your breath, avoid these common mistakes. Do not confuse it with being silent. Whispering under your breath still involves making a sound, albeit quietly. Context matters. This phrase is often used in contexts where the speaker is annoyed, frustrated, or secretive. It's not typically used for normal, audible conversations. In different cultures, speaking under your breath can have various connotations. It's often seen as a way of expressing dissatisfaction or disagreement without openly confronting someone. Understanding these cultural nuances is important, especially in formal or professional settings. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, under your breath. Remember, it's a unique way of expressing oneself quietly and privately. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to use this phrase in appropriate situations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.